Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Selenium with Java and Python. We will explore the key differences between these two powerful programming languages when used for web automation. Understanding their unique advantages will help you make an informed decision for your projects. We will cover aspects like ease of use, performance, and community support, providing a clear overview to guide your choice. Java is a strong contender for Selenium automation, particularly in large enterprise environments. It offers robust performance, often faster than Python for complex operations, though browser interactions are usually the bottleneck. Its vast community provides abundant resources, and established frameworks like TestNG and JUnit offer excellent test management and reporting capabilities. Java's strong typing also helps maintain complex, scalable test suites. Python shines with its straightforward, readable syntax, making it incredibly easy to learn and use for Selenium. This simplicity allows for much faster script development and easier maintenance, especially beneficial for smaller projects or quick automation tasks. Python's rich ecosystem, including frameworks like PyTest, integrates seamlessly, offering powerful capabilities for web scraping, data analysis, and even artificial intelligence-driven testing solutions. Deciding between Java and Python for Selenium ultimately depends on your specific project requirements and team skills. If you prioritize rapid development, ease of learning, and integration with data science or AI, Python is an excellent choice. For large, complex enterprise-level projects requiring high scalability, robust performance, and extensive framework support, Java often proves to be the more suitable option. Both are powerful. Choose what aligns best with your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.